Hi, this is Victoria Ferrer, and today I want to go over the Infinity Processing System, also known as IPS. This system will teach you how you can start earning up to $100 per day from the comfort of your own home. So if you have a laptop, a computer, cell phone, as long as you have Wi-Fi access, you can do this. Okay? Now, results are not typical. It depends on how much work you put into it. So if you're going to be lazy, then you won't make anything. Bottom line. Anyway, this is the website, and it takes you through their blueprint. They also provide you with pre-written ads that you can post on social media. So it's basically a lot of copying and pasting, and it's all provided for you. So here I am, where you get to find out a little bit about me. Okay. Over here is where you can connect with me on social media. Now, how does the system work? Basically, look, follow the simple three-step system to start making 100% commissions. Now, how many places can you make 100% commission? So step one to get started is to decide which level you want to come in on, okay? Then the second step would be to post the ads on social media, and your third step is get paid. So let's go down a little further. Basically, like I said before, it's a step-by-step process. It's really not, doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure this out, or brainiac, okay? I'm going to skip all of that. You can read all that later. Here is where it talks about the different levels. So the lowest level you can come in is at $50, and it has a $25 administrative website fee, which each of these levels you get a free website. Okay, so here it is. What products do you get? You can only earn 50 per commission. You're going to get marketing ads, image ads. You get some mindset formula. It's like videos, mindset videos. It really helps. It teaches you the art of persuasion and influence, gives you examples, gives you an action plan. They even give you the closing script. Teach you about Facebook marketing. I mean, you get a lot for your $50. Shows you about 30 Facebook groups. They even teach you Craigslist marketing, and you get access to the Facebook support group. Now, with any of these levels that you decide to pick, there is no monthly fee. Now, you know that's not normal. Most plans you join, you have a monthly fee. This one has no monthly fee. Okay, so that's the $50 level. The next one is the elite level, $150, $25 admin fee. What products do you get? Goes over the list. You'll be able to earn the $50 commissions plus $150 commissions. Okay, it gives you basically everything that you got in the $50 but more. So instead of getting 30 marketing ads, you're going to get 100. Instead of 20 bonus ads, you're going to get 40. Okay, and so forth. Now, this one includes YouTube training and Instagram marketing strategies and how to create your six-figure funnel. Okay, and again, no monthly fee. So that's the $150 plan. The pro level is $300. Again, with the $25 admin fee. Now, with the 300 plan, you're going to get paid on the $50 level, $150 level, and $300 level. So if you're able to, I would suggest you come in at the highest. This way you're not passed up. Okay? What products do you get? The same as the others, except instead of the 100 ads, you're going to get 200. Instead of 40 bonus ads, you're going to get 60. Again, it goes into more detail. Now this one goes and teaches you how to go into 100 Facebook groups. You have your Craigslist marketing. You still have your YouTube, Instagram, okay? But with this one, you're going to get 30 email follow-ups. So it's pre-written scripts that you just copy and paste into your autoresponder. They even go into TikTok marketing. Now, if you're not familiar, TikTok is like a hot thing right now. All right. Oh, let me move this over. I apologize. So they go over TikTok. You get access to our VIP training, a live chat. We also do live training in the Facebook groups. You'll also have access to get a vacation voucher. Okay. Discounts on hotels and restaurants. And again, this one is $300. So I'm going to go back up since I didn't realize that my face was blocking. So again, here's your three levels, 50, 150, 300. All right. And again, it goes over everything that you're going to get. Now, over here, when you come further down, it talks about the income potential. All right, and which level is best for you. Like I said, I suggest you come in at the higher one. But let's just say, if you came in at the $50 fee level, you get one sale, your commission is $50. Like I said, it's 100% commission. There's no let me take off for taxes and things like that. That's your responsibility. But here's your commission, $50. If you do this daily and you get a sale every day, by the end of the week, you'll have $350. And for the month, you'll earn $1,400. Okay? Each level gives the same breakdown. So 150, there you go, 150 from one sale. Daily, 150. Your weekly will be 1,050. Your monthly will be $4,200. Okay? Here's the $300 one. Again, per sales, 300. Daily, 300. Weekly, it will be $2,100. And your monthly income will be $8,400. All right? So there's the whole breakdown on the system. I welcome you, and I tell you, just take a chance. I did. Now, if you want to get access, we also have a Facebook proof group where you can see testimonies of people who have already joined the system and their progress. So if you want access to that, just send me a message, connect with me, and say you want access to the Facebook proof group, and I'll put you in it. This way you can see for yourself. All right? Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you have a great day.